Wix apps are a really easy way of adding extra features and extra functionality to your Wix website. For example, you've got weather apps, apps which connect to your other accounts like SoundCloud, or Eventbrite if you want to sell event tickets online. There are apps for creating online forms, apps for gathering customer reviews or taking online bookings. Literally hundreds of different apps to add extra functionality to your Wix website. If you want to add an app to your website, click on the Add Apps button over here. Then you can browse the Wix app market by subject, or you can use the search bar. So if we wanted to, for example, add a search engine optimization app to our site, I'll type in SEO, and we get a list of all the available SEO apps. And underneath each one, it will tell you whether it is a free or a paid for app. So let's have a look at Site Booster, for example. Click on Add App. And then when you go to your dashboard, you will see it under My Apps. You can open the app and then follow the setup procedure. The other option you have for adding apps is to add them directly from your dashboard. If you open your dashboard and click Add Apps, this also takes you to the Wix app market.